Neck?
Yeah, neck.
Oh.
I just know one day we'll hop in that Boeing just to prove that we flowing. Maybe make a trip to Colorado, grab a couple caramel macchiatos while I smoke 3 blunts in that purple tinted El Diablo. But you'll never visualize where I go, cause you're blinded by your ego. Something you wish to finally see though. If you coming for me, I'll run through you like a steak knife, really make you think twice. Have you contemplated about your ultimate decision? Only come back with that precise precision on a lone wolf mission. But we'll still carry the weight anyway, like it's on my own shoulders. Strong man moving boulders, no need for all the cold shoulders. Like I told you, just a man on a mission, changing gears with an all-new transmission, hoping to see the transition like an all-new edition. Need to quit all the bitching, feeling like a worn-out ignition. Could've used a goddamn screwdriver while screaming out the window, "Screw Tyler!" Mr. Demeanor in the all-gray Beamer, thinking it's so much cleaner. Did nothing in life but to clean her, but we bout to set sail on the highway. Shit's gonna be hanging on sideways.
Yo, hey, mix it up, get ready. Drop the beat so hard like confetti. Walk the line, then draw, stay steady. If I shoot, then miss, best get me. Cause if I pull 2 times, gets messy. If I run, I'm the one, can't catch me. Cause I'm rap game's best athlete. Got me running up and down this back street. Ayy, full leisure, had me shaking, locking like a seizure. Said she comes so good, so what's the move? I said the reefer. Said I got enough, let's put some love up on the bleachers. Watch me play some round and touch them down in Nike sneakers. Cause when I'm dipping, I'm whipping out. Ayy, I feel like y'all chicken out. Cause when I get puffing out, that V12 Ferrari sound. Ayy, full leisure.